Hi everyone, welcome to a short video on how to cite an article from Google Scholar by using suggested referencing style by Google Scholar. I'm making an assumption that you know what is Google Scholar and you know how to get to Google Scholar search engine. But if you didn't know, just type scholar.google.com to your address bar. This video is based on a personal experience. For years I've used Google Scholar and its suggestion on how to reference an article based on a number of different referencing styles that it gives you. So what happened, just recently I was working on a research. I selected an article that I wanted to use for my research, but I could not find link and or a list of references on how to cite that particular article. Up until recently, Google Scholar used to have a link named Cite that used to give you a list of different referencing styles that could be used to reference a particular article that is of interest to you. But for whatever reasons, they decided to change that. They no longer have a link named Cite. Instead, they are using a double quotation, which is second on the left side underneath an article. When you put a cursor on top of the quotation mark, a word cite will appear. So when you click the double quotation mark, a pop-up window will appear with a list of a number of different referencing types that you can use. So I'll just demonstrate this fairly quickly. Say you're interested on car engine pollution. So you type in car engine pollution and you get a list of article in relation to that particular topic. Assuming that you're interested on the very top one, you'll get title there, author, bit of information on the article, and then how many people have cited this article and related articles and other bits and big pieces. So now to the left hand side here, the second from left, you'll see quotation mark. So this is what has replaced a link that I was talking about named Cite. So they decided to use quotation mark as opposed to symbolize citation, maybe, I don't know, they know. Now if you put a cursor on top of this quotation mark or double quotation mark, a word cite will appear. Okay, so it's still more or less still the same, I suppose. They decided not to use the word cite, but you'll still see the word cite when you put a cursor on this double quotation mark. Now if you click this double quotation mark, then you get a list of different referencing styles that you can use to reference this article. Okay, so there you go. This is how you get these different referencing styles to use. So if you're working on an article, then you choose a referencing style that suits your article. If you're writing for a particular journal, then you choose referencing style which is acceptable by that particular journal that you're writing for or you're intending to submit your article to. Okay. So hope you find this video useful and good luck on your research.